Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Netflix account on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Netflix account, you need to know a thing, that is Netflix is not available on Android devices on many of the countries. And now to log into your Netflix account on your Android device, first open up your Google Chrome or any preferred browser you use on your Android phone. I'll be using the Google Chrome. And after opening your Google Chrome, and tap on the search or type web address, tap over there and type in netflix.com on the search bar of your browser and tap on go. And after the page has been loaded, you can see the sign in option at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on sign in, and after that you will be required to enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Netflix account from your Android device. And there guys, this is how you log into your Netflix account on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.